When you're on the app, you click on the top left corner 3- icon here, click on my children, and when you click on my children, it's going to give you the prompt of all your children from this list, and then you select your child. Janet, are they the same student that the assignment was added for? Then you can see absence requests, teachers list, assignments, report, and document, and then you click on assignment. When you click on assignment, you can remember that this assignment's due date is allocated for the 20th. So you click on 20th. Now when you click on 20th, the next thing you're going to see is the assignments. You click on the assignments, and the question of the assignment goes that, what is introductory technology? You can easily just answer the question and say full stop. And then the next thing you're going to do is, if you want to upload file, you can upload your file from this tab by clicking the cloud sign by your right side here, and then you click on submit. When you click on submit, it says assignment submitted successfully. Now we are going to go back to the web admin dashboard and mark this assignment. It can be marked by either the admin or by the teacher. So let us get to the marking phase of this assignment. Let's go back to the web.